This is the wet bulb interactive calculator, which determines psychrometric properties for HVAC and environmental engineering applications. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have a calculation mode dropdown with 5 options. Calculate wet bulb temperature, calculate relative humidity, calculate dew point, calculate heat index, and calculate enthalpy change. For this demonstration, I'm selecting Calculate Wet Bulb Temperature. Next, enter the dry bulb temperature in Celsius. I'll use 32.5 degrees. Then input the relative humidity as a percentage between 0 and 100. I'll enter 65%. The atmospheric pressure field defaults to 101.325 kilopascals, which represents standard atmospheric pressure at sea level. The remaining fields for wet bulb temperature and dew point temperature are optional inputs used for other calculation modes. After clicking Calculate, the results appear below. The wet bulb temperature indicates the lowest temperature achievable through evaporative cooling. The calculator also provides the relative humidity percentage, dew point temperature showing when condensation occurs, and vapor pressure in kilopascals. The results also include a heat index value representing perceived temperature, enthalpy change value for energy calculations, and a heat stress assessment for safety evaluation. This tool streamlines psychrometric calculations for your engineering projects. Find the link in the description below.